The procedure for determining child support in high income cases governed by the following rules. And they got rules that they got with that.
But the whole premise of best interest of the child, we know that it's a lie. It's
Whoa,
a
whoa, 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 whoa,
marketing.
whoa, 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 whoa. We feel it's a lie. Don't go with the no. If you want to know it, then go prove it.
Mm.
If your question
Because they told on themselves that there is no such thing as child support to benefit the mother or the child.
okay, wait a minute. That's how the federal program works as it related to the facts in that Blessing versus Freestone case when they were saying
Right.
others wanted to sue the state because the states weren't enforcing the states weren't helping the mothers get child support. The court just said in that case, the state don't have no obligation to do anything for you. They don't have this the relationship between the state and the federal government, not between the state and the mother.
Yeah, because they don't have a contract with the mother.
No, forget that part. The mother can get an independent action, is what they're telling you. They're saying, as it related to the Blessing versus Freestone,
Yeah.
the mothers sued the state of Arizona's head of Department of Revenue or wherever it was.
Yeah,
Because he wasn't going at the fathers, despite the fact that the mothers did everything.
Yeah.
The court said essentially the same thing they told me. There you go, Greg.
Yep.
But when it comes to domestic relations cases, we stay the fuck out of it.
Yeah.
We read that 2 weeks ago, right?
Yeah.
But the state, what the court never said was that the mother couldn't come after you independently. They never said that. So I don't know what this contract stuff keeps coming up to. Either she had an action against you that was sustainable in court, or she didn't.
Yeah.
I think what people weren't doing is objecting to the state giving me some obligation without proving that I owed an obligation. And if I'm the father, I have an equal right to the child. And did the state use all the necessary factors? Let me help y'all with Florida. And if, again, like I say all the time, if y'all live in Florida, it's your own fucking fault.
So here we go. What you just said?
I think if you don't live in Florida, it's your own fucking fault. Florida.
I love it, Craig.
What you can do is this right here, though, right? Not 617. I'll go back. You do the same thing to find your nexus in your state, right?
Yeah.
Title 4, Civil Practice and Procedures, Chapter 61. Yep. Timeshare.
Is the sun shining in the Sunshine State today?
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's good. Not bad here.
No, it ain't shining here. You know that too, Greg. Come on now.
It ain't that bad. It ain't bad.
That damn hurricane came and blew almost everything out of the damn state. Bro.
Yeah, but hey, I walked this morning and I actually managed to beat the sun today, so that did me some good. So I'll say that I'm happy about that. Cause man, I get out there and I'll get out there in enough time. That sun come out that me and him are best friends. I'm gonna walk with me the whole way. So here we go. Let's see. Where am I? There we go. Now, y'all see that? What do y'all see? Time sharing?
Time sharing schedule, yeah.
Means a timetable that must. What's that word right there?
Must.
That means they can, or does it mean they must?
They must. There's no other way around it. It's
must be included in the parenting plan that specifies the time, including overnights and holidays, that a minor child will spend with each parent. The time sharing schedule shall be developed and agreed by the parent. All this stuff goes on, right? Let's go there. Who wants to do that one? Anybody got a time sharing agreement yet?
I don't
I
have no
have
time.
to. I got a time sharing agreement with my child.
Read that one right there. Read that right there, Sanders.
Uh, the particular parenting plan, a court ordered time sharing schedule, or a time sharing agreement exercised by agreement of the parties, such
Stop right there real
as
quick. Whoa. Stop right there real quick. I'm glad, because I'll ramble through it.
Agreement.
What's that mean to you, Maul?
arranged exercise by agreement of the parties.
That means that
That's
you and her were on something already? What is that called?
It's a contract.
No, god damn, stop saying that. Well, you can say expressed and implied. No, it's an agreement between you two, right? Does
Yep.
the
right.
state have to have anything to fucking do with that, Jamal?
No, there's no third party there. That's between you and the mom.
Right. So if you had that, you could have probably gone and said, hey, wait a minute. I've been having a little motherfucker 4 days or 3 days, and we just do week on week. It's our business in Florida. And that's why I said, if you live in Florida, it's your own damn fault. Because it's spelled out, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
It's
if you go in there because you have an issue, or can the court in Florida determine, well, you guys are not agreeing because she wants you to have the kid 1 day only, and you want the kid 7 days? Do they make a decision? What if they get involved in that way? How do that play out?
So for every 8 days of the month, 7 go to you and 1 go to her. Well, then that would be. Well, one thing is that it wouldn't be taken care of in an administrative child support proceeding because they don't have that authority. But the court can say, okay, if that's what you want, and there's no objection unless the court can show.
No, you're misunderstanding me. I'm saying if you go to court with the purpose of, look, I'm having issues because we're disagreeing. Mom wants to have the kid 90% of the time.
Oh,
And
then the court can settle that issue. But in Florida,
okay,
you want to break his heart, LK, or you want me to, or you want to break his heart, Saunders, in Florida? Who gets more time?
In Florida, she gets the most time because
No. 50-50, bro.
both parents get
yeah,
the same
yeah,
amount of
50 50. Yeah, it's 50-50. I have to go and reestablish, my time sharing with my daughters because I haven't had no vehicle.